Picture this. You step off your cruise ship, and within minutes, you're walking through 2,000-year-old Roman ruins right in the heart of a vibrant Spanish city. Most cruise passengers rush past Cartagena, thinking it's just another small port stop. But they're missing one of the Mediterranean's best-kept secrets. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why Cartagena deserves a full day of exploration and how to make the most of your time here, even if you only have a few hours. Welcome back to Travel Day Trip Ideas. I'm here to help you cruise smarter and explore more. If you're new here, we create free cruise port guides to help you maximize your port adventures without overspending. Cartagena isn't just another Spanish port. It's a living museum where you can literally walk on the same streets as ancient Romans, explore perfectly preserved theatres, and discover why this city has been fought over for over 2 millennia. The best part? Everything is within walking distance of your ship, making it perfect for independent exploration. Here's what makes this place truly special. Founded by the Carthaginians in 227 BC, conquered by the Romans in 209 BC, and continuously inhabited ever since. You're looking at layers upon layers of history, all perfectly preserved. In the next few minutes, I'll cover the must-see Roman sites, show you the easiest walking route from the port, share the money-saving ticket strategy most visitors don't know about, and reveal a local secret that most guidebooks completely miss. Why Cartagena is perfect for DIY exploration. Here's something most cruise guides won't tell you. Cartagena is actually one of the easiest Mediterranean ports to explore on your own, and I'm about to show you exactly why. Unlike ports where you need shuttles or long taxi rides, Cartagena's cruise terminal is literally a 5-minute walk from the city's main attractions. Your ship docks right in the marina, and you can actually see the Roman theatre from the port area. When you disembark, you'll walk straight through the marina area. It's that simple. No shuttle buses, no complicated transportation. The old town is compact and walkable, with clear signage in both Spanish and English. The entire historic area is only about 1 kilometre across, so even if you get lost, you're never more than a 10-minute walk from your ship. Based on multiple visits and passenger feedback, most people can see the main Roman sites and explore the old town in just 3 to 4 hours, making it perfect even for shorter port calls. I've visited both on organised excursions and independently. The independent experience is far superior. You're not rushed, and you'll save at least 40 to 60 euros per person compared to ship excursions. This means you can save money on expensive ship excursions and explore at your own pace, spending more time at the sites that interest you most. But knowing it's walkable is just the beginning. Let me show you exactly what makes this place so historically significant. The Roman Theatre, your gateway to ancient history. Most people don't realise they're about to see one of the best preserved Roman theatres in all of Spain, discovered completely by accident in 1988. This isn't just any old ruins. This theatre seated 7,000 people and was built between 5 and 1 BC. It was literally buried under the city for centuries until construction workers stumbled upon it while building apartments. The theatre entrance is through a modern museum on Plaza del Ayuntamiento, right across from the tourism office. Here's a pro tip. If you don't want to pay the museum entrance fee, you can get a free panoramic view of the theatre from Parque de la Cornisa behind it. But honestly, the €6 entrance fee is worth it for the full experience and artefacts. The museum walkthrough takes you chronologically through the theatre's history, then deposits you right into the ancient structure itself. You'll see original Roman marble, perfectly preserved seating areas, and the stage where Roman actors performed 2,000 years ago. Standing in those ancient seats, looking down at the stage, it's one of those moments that makes cruising so incredible. But the Romans weren't the only ones who left their mark here. The next site takes you even further back in time. The complete Roman experience. What most visitors don't realise is that Cartagena has not just 1, but 5 incredible Roman and Carthaginian sites, all within a 20-minute walk of each other. This city was called Carthago Nova by the Romans, New Carthage, and it was one of their most important Mediterranean ports. The archaeological richness here rivals Rome itself. After the Roman theatre, visit the House of Fortune, Casa Fortuna, a perfectly preserved Roman house with original mosaics. Then there's the Roman Forum at Molinette Archaeological Park, which is massive, 26,000 square meters of excavated Roman city centre. You can walk on original Roman streets with cartwheel ruts still visible in the stone. Don't miss the Punic Wall, built by the Carthaginians in the 3rd century BC. You can literally touch walls built by Hannibal's people. Money-saving tip: buy the combined ticket for all 5 museums for about €20. Individual tickets would cost over €30. Start with the Punic Wall, furthest from the port, and work your way back so you're walking downhill toward your ship. By the end of your visit, you'll have walked through 2,500 years of history, from Carthaginian walls to Roman houses to Spanish colonial architecture. Now let me share that local secret I promised, plus practical tips to make your visit perfect. There's a uniquely Cartagena coffee drink that you literally cannot get anywhere else in the world, plus the money-saving strategy most cruise passengers miss. Cartagena has its own signature coffee called Asiático. Invented by sailors who mixed coffee with condensed milk, liquor 43, cinnamon and lemon peel. It's served in a special patented glass made only for this drink. You can find authentic Asiático at local cafes along Calle Mayor, the main pedestrian street with beautiful marble tiles and Art Nouveau buildings. This is also perfect for shopping and experiencing local Spanish life. Here are my practical tips. Timing. If you have 4 to 5 hours, focus on the Roman theatre and one other site. With 8+ hours, you can see everything plus the castle views. Route. Start with Punic Wall, then House of Fortune, Roman Forum, Roman Theatre, and finish on Calle Mayor, mostly downhill back to your ship. Weather. Cartagena can be hot in summer, but many Roman sites are underground, providing cool relief. All major sites have English information, and Cartagena is very safe for tourists with a strong police presence in tourist areas. Whether you explore independently or want expert guidance, you have great options. We've covered why Cartagena is perfect for independent exploration, the incredible Roman sites you can see in one day, and those local secrets that make this port special. Remember, this isn't just about seeing old stones. You're literally walking in the footsteps of ancient civilizations. Here's what I want you to do. When your ship docks in Cartagena, take that 5-minute walk into town, grab the money-saving combined museum ticket, and give yourself at least 4 hours to soak in this incredible history. Don't forget to try that Asiático coffee. It's a taste of Cartagena you can't get anywhere else. If you prefer guided tours with local experts, check the video description below for links to our recommended local tour operators. They offer the same experiences as ship excursions, but at much better prices, often with smaller groups and more personalized attention. If you found this guide helpful, make sure you're subscribed to Travel Day Trip Ideas and hit that notification bell. We have free guides for dozens of cruise ports, all designed to help you explore confidently without breaking the bank. Have you been to Cartagena before? Let me know in the comments what surprised you most about this incredible port. And if you're planning a Mediterranean cruise, tell me which ports you're most excited to explore. I read every comment and often create guides based on your requests. Next week, we're covering another hidden gem that most cruisers completely overlook. You won't want to miss it, so please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Thanks for watching, and remember, cruise smarter, explore more.